Today we're covering garage floor options: plain, sealed, coated, or stamped. Here's what you need to know. Compare garage floor finishes: costs, durability, and maintenance. Plain concrete starts at $3 to $6 per square foot. Sealed, coated, and stamped options range $8 to $25 per square foot. Quick answer: plain concrete costs $3 to $6 per square foot. Sealed finishes run $5 to $12 per square foot. Epoxy or polyurethane coatings cost $8 to $25 per square foot. Stamped concrete ranges $12 to $25 per square foot. Sealed and coated floors last longer and resist stains better than plain concrete. Choose based on durability needs, budget, and aesthetic preference. Your garage floor takes a beating. Oil drips, salt spray in winter, vehicle weight, and foot traffic all wear concrete down. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The decision between plain, sealed, coated, and stamped finishes isn't just about looks. It's about how long your floor will last, how much maintenance it requires, and what you'll pay up front. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This guide breaks down each option so you can choose the right finish for your home and budget. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in all garage floor finishes, from plain broom finish slabs to decorative stamp designs, and handles site evaluation, material selection, and installation for homeowners across the Triangle and surrounding markets. Unlike typical concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. You pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Plain garage floors run $3 to $6 per square foot. Sealed finishes cost $5 to $12 per square foot. Epoxy and polyurethane coatings range $8 to $25 per square foot, and stamped concrete runs $12 to $25 per square foot, depending on pattern complexity. This post compares all 4 options so you can choose the right finish for your home and budget. Moving on to plain concrete, the baseline. A plain concrete garage floor is unfinished Portland cement slurry troweled or broom finished to a flat, uniform surface. It costs $3 to $6 per square foot, making it the most affordable option up front. For a 400 to 500 square foot 2-car garage, plain concrete runs $1,200 to $3,000 before labor. Plain concrete is durable. A well-placed 4-inch slab with proper subgrade preparation and air entrainment can last 20 to 30 years structurally. However, it stains easily. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.